Hello everybody, it's Sunday. It's too cold to play outside, so I thought I'd see if I could do a new song today. I probably won't film the whole thing because it's going to take hours to come up with anything at all, but by golly, I'm going to try to see if I can get some sort of a little tune put out there by this evening. Okay, wish me luck. Start up GarageBand first. That's the first place to go. When I start to work on a song, the first thing I do is go over I use either GarageBand or Ableton Live. I find GarageBand easier because I've just been doing it longer. So what to do? Let's see. Key. What kind of a key? E, F, G, da 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 D, G. Yeah, let's go with it. Let's go with G major today and see how that works. At least we'll start there. E, G, and let's make it about 110. Choose that. And let's just start playing with some rhythm tracks. That's usually where people start out. Let's create a drummer. Try something else. It's not bad. I was looking for more of a swing sound, not a hard hitting thing like that. I think Kyle on the pop rock is more what I'm looking for today. Okay, so now I've got two tracks. And you can see they're alternating. And basically it's the same thing, but on the lower track, I changed the rhythm pattern a little bit. So it'll go, 8 bars full on, and then a reduced pattern. So something more like this. It's going. I haven't started to add in my pad yet. And to come up here, you see a little change here after the 8 bar. I think that'll give it a little space in there to let the song breathe a little bit, and then return back to the original pattern. Okay, now I'll just see if I can get some basic chord down. So if this is in G, that's a G chord. Up 4, up 5, 4, 1.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.